Hi, my name is Victoria Dalach, and today I would like to tell you something about threat modeling. After this video, I hope and I think that you will be able to do threat modeling yourself, and you will know how to do it. So there is something for you in this video, but there is something also for me, because after this video I'll be able to eat some super yummy muffins. Win-win. Threat modeling is an exercise that you do when you want to know what is the what are the possible threats for your system, for your feature. Basically, you want to know, is it secure? When we threat model, we want to answer 4 questions. First, what we're building. Second, what can go wrong? Third, what can we do about it? Fourth, did we do a good job? I hope it's clear so far. It's really very simple, but let me maybe show it to you by making muffins. Oh, I just realized that I forgot all of the tools. I'm back with my tools. Oh, sorry for the sound. I hope it was not very loud. I'm back with my tools, so we can jump in and answer the first question. What are we building here? Well, we are building nothing. We are making muffins. Was it a rhyme? Anyways, so we have eggs, we have some Oatly, we have oil. Yes, we have oil. We have a bowl with some I don't know, it's called backmischung, I believe, so basically flour or something. We have chocolate chips, and we have some thingies to put our muffins in later and bake. I don't include the oven in this scenario here, because it would be very inconvenient. Why did I just go through all of those elements? Because this is what you also should do. Having like some kind of a schema of your new feature, of your system, showing all dependencies between, I don't know, front end, back end, this service, that service, external service, database, super useful. This is how you know what you are actually building. I said I'm baking muffins today, so you could have but you know, this is my idea of a muffin, but you can have like blueberry muffin or in mind. This is very important to have this kind of mapping. Eggs here, so our input here, our service here, our additional service, additional service, and finally some kind of storage database. In this case, those cute little thingies. So now, as we know what is going on here in our system, in our feature, in our project, let's go to the second question. What can go wrong? I would like to introduce you to my helper today. I'm honored by his presence, and so should you be, because he is excellent malicious actor. He is dreaming about destroying this system. Please welcome malicious actor. Speak. He looks like my dog, but he is not my dog at all. Because he has wings, and my dog doesn't have wings. He's definitely a malicious actor. And well, maybe his eyes are innocent, but trust me, after 3 seconds of him looking at you, you would give him your mom's maiden name and security number, so be careful with him. And this is actually what, when you are doing threat model exercise, you need to remember, like, if you're putting something in the internet, there are people people who want to take advantage of your system, unfortunately. You see what he's doing? He's just like, give me this. No, 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 no. What can go wrong? So, for example, in our system, here we have our main service that has been created 7 years ago by a senior engineer who was very passionate about Elixir, but then he moved on to a different company. But I think it's working, so it should not be a problem, right? Right. Here we have input. Eggs. Eggs can go rotten. This doesn't have to be oat milk. This can be something weird. These inputs can affect our system. They can actually ruin our muffins, which would be terrible. This chocolate chips are delivered to us from an external service that we pay 20,000 monthly, so it should work, right? And here, oh my god, so many things can happen. We can put too much of this mixture to 1 cup and then we'll ruined. I mean, not ruined, but we will ruin one database of yumminess. That would be a shame. The third question, so we answer what do we do? Like, what can go wrong? The third question is, what can we do about it? And, well, with oat milk, I can smell and I can taste that it is actually an oat milk and it's good, so I can put it to my system. But I validated this as it's all good. Here I have sunflower oil and it smells amazing. I know it's in the right amount because I measured it before, so I can put it to my system, to my service. Well, eggs can be rotten. It would be devastating to our muffins. So instead of putting the whole egg, instead of just crushing it and putting it here, I will use some kind of validation form. Like maybe a form, let's say, to put my egg here. It's not my egg, but you know what I'm saying. I'm just a little bit nervous. I've never cooked, like baked on a video, so you gotta be a little bit empathetic, okay? Okay, so first of all, this is safe. This is isolated. This hasn't touched our main service here, and I can validate by the smell, by the miracle smell, that, well, this egg is super cool, so I can put it in our bowl. Great, this egg also is cool, so I can put it here. So let me mix it. So this is so weird to me, but let's continue. So the thing is that, of course, when you are doing the what can go wrong here, answering the third question of thread modeling, it is very difficult to, remember about everything. So there are excellent frameworks that you can use to help yourself with this difficult task. And one of this framework is called Stride, Kill Chain, and the other framework of thinking about just threads and what can go wrong in your application is called Attack Tree. You are not alone. You never walk alone here, and you can use excellent resources that you can find in the links that I provide. So don't worry about it. But this is basically it. You want to know what you build, and what can go wrong, and you want to know how to prevent things going funky. This is important because, well, security is important, and if we want to be engineers, we need to care about quality, and security is part of quality. So now I have my mixture ready, and it looks gorgeous and it smells amazing. Chocolate chips. So as I said, we pay 20,000 for it, and amazing value, the best chocolate chips cookies. But if your system, and this is part of your future, and what can go wrong? Like you can think, oh, nothing, well, because we're paying money for it, blah blah blah. But the reality is that sometimes this external service that provides chocolate chip cookies, not cookies, but chocolate chips, can be unavailable, can be under attack. And then what you can do in your system, when you're modeling your system, you can say, oh, I want to fail gently, and then you have cookies, muffins without any additional chocolate, but still sweet. Today, luckily, our system didn't fail, and we can add those. After I'm done with this part, then we're basically finished answering the third question, so what can go wrong with us? Did we do a good job? Which I will be able to answer after 20-30 minutes. And we can sit here and wait for this moment, or I can use the magic of editing and do this, and now we can answer the fourth question. Did we do a good job? Did we? As you can see, malicious actor is still in the game. But we can now actually see if we did a good job with our thread modeling. And it will be very embarrassing because I've never eaten on camera. So let me try though. It's very good. I can assure you that we did an amazing job. So thank you for joining me today. Remember, thread modeling is a great exercise when you are starting. Zostań. Bardzo dobrze. Thread modeling is an excellent exercise when you are designing a solution and when you want to protect your system. Answer those 4 questions. What are we working on? What can go wrong? How can we prevent it? And did we do a good job? And you're set to go. If you like this, please let me know, and maybe send it to someone who needs thread modeling and who needs I will end this now. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye!